Well, hello. What is going on? How goes it? Happy Friday. Woo! Slash Saturday for my Indian folk. And welcome to Orbem Orders stream, where you can find writing, music, game dev, programming, all sorts of junk. Boop. And hello. And start off nice and easy. Miropelia out. Book 2 of the Homonian Chronicles. If you haven't read Orbem, read that first. This is book 2, so you're missing out if you haven't read Orbem yet. Alright. Well. Yeah, if you haven't been part of the YouTube world and you have only watched me on Twitch, then you won't really know how great this is, but finally broke 100 subscribers on YouTube. Woo! Yay. It's good. It's good. It's hard grind, and it's only 100. But it's 100 more than I had, 4 months ago. So, yeah, very happy. Happy with the community. The YouTube community has been amazing. Just amazing programmers, tech dudes, just smart people interested in sci-fi, and just all in all, the people that have jumped in and out of stream have been fantastic. Really no major dick bags, which I'm happy about. I mean, it takes a certain type of dick bag to jump onto a stream just to be a dick bag. You know what I mean? There's so many other things to do, and spending your time watching somebody you don't like, I understand why it's not common. But yeah, 100 subscribers. And I really wanted to do something to commemorate the 100 subscribers. I have an idea of something I want to do. That's a giveaway. I want to give away some Orbem merch, which you can find on my shop. I might even make a special shirt or something for the channel, something Orbem Order related. Oh, I gotta hit the new book. I forgot about that. Do I even have that extension on here? I don't think I do. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah. Giveaway, some merch, and a paperback copy of Orbem and Miropelia to the winner. Maybe a few winners. Just cause, yeah, the subscribers have been jumping on and really interacting, engaging, have been super positive, keeping me going. I mean, I wouldn't have continued streaming the video game build if the people that were jumping on and enjoying it weren't so, positive, and if I wasn't making an impact. And I feel like I have been receiving some pretty good feedback on people taking advice, and that makes me happy, because that's part of the reason why I want to talk to you guys, because the feedback I get from you and the advice I can give to you, you know, it goes hand in hand. And I think, yeah, a little giveaway. And it'll be a subscriber only thing. If you're a follower on Twitch or you're a subscriber on YouTube. Get you a Orbem package. You can get, let's see here. We'll go ahead and give away a copy of Miropelia here. We'll give you the full suite, the first 2 books, Orbem and Miropelia. And we'll give away shirt. I don't know. I'll give you, whoever wins, you know, an option. Shirts. We have bags, pillows, shirts. I mean, shit here. Orbem order. I'll show you my brand. Yeah, here we go. Oop. No, I did not mean Orbem. So we have pop sockets, pillows. I don't know what that is. Shirts. You know, different types of shirts. Hoodies. Zip ups. Yeah, so I'll let you guys choose. Choose a piece of merch. Get both books. And yeah. And I'll go ahead. I'll make a post and post the rules. I'm gonna do it. We'll say, you know, in the next 100 days to commemorate the 100 subscribers. Everybody the way to enter is you subscribe basically to the newsletter, which is here on orbemorder.com. You can join and register here. So it'll be the next, I'm not going to do 100 people, but over the next 100 days, yeah, I'll pick a random 5 or 10 people, depending on how many people even contribute to the subscription. I mean, we'll see. I'm going to open up to the public, so and it'll be very easy for me to tell who's signing up because of the contest or not, because nobody signs up for the newsletter list, which it's very important that you sign up for this, because eventually, in order to play the game, you have to register. So if you want to try out the video game, then you're gonna have to sign up anyways. So hey, it's a twofer. You get notified of all the newest Orbem related news, and you also get to contribute and play the game. So I mean, at least the game, you know, whatever you can do on it. This is the stage site, so I prefer you sign up on the production site because that's what matters. But I'll give you first access to the game as well. And yeah. Well, exciting. Yeah, we're at 101. And still at 32 followers on Twitch. Love to get some more Twitch too. I think I'll open it up if you follow on Twitch and let me know that you followed because of the contest. Then I will also, you know, enter you for the Orbem Miropelia books and your choice of merch. And yeah, should be fun. It's always good. I mean, they're great quality shirts and hoodies and stuff like that. I mean, I wear them. I love my zip up, and I love my shirts. So yeah, they're just comfortable. You know, Amazon puts out really good merch. It's through AmazonMerch.com. Was it merch.amazon.com? Yeah, if you ever want to make your own merch, it's really easy. And you get royalties for everybody who buys it, you know? So you just kind of develop some designs. I made these designs based off of art I've commissioned or just things I've created over the years. And then I submit it, and if they approve it, you can choose whatever you want. shirts, like I said, pillows. You know, pillows, pop sockets, bags, hoodies. Yeah. I hope they get more stuff too. It is a little limited. Like, I want different types of shirts. I mean, they have like girl shirts, but they don't have like girl tank tops and I don't know, crop tops or yeah, different things. I'd like sweatpants too. That'd be sweet. Get some sweet sweatpants. Sweet sweatpants. All right. Well, it's Friday. I'm excited. I want to play. I want to make. So let's get this going. I think where we left off last stream was... What did we do? Let's look at the code. That'll be a good indicator of what we were doing. We were... Oh, trying to fix a bug. That's right. The next mission bug. So the problem was... Yeah, let's get out of here. The problem was that... Oh yeah, we're trying to do the drag mission. So the issue I was having was making the mission show up here. Because it is not doing that right now. Yeah, we got some dog hotspot issues. Getting a little itchy. Our black lab is getting little bald spots on his elbow and stuff where he's chewing. Bummer. Okay. So we can drag, we can overlap, and so when I let go, it's supposed to, you know, complete a mission, but problem is the mission's not showing up. Or it is showing up, it's just, it's showing up as if it's part of like a next mission, which it's not. So let's check out why. The mission list is right here. Help Zing. So this is showing up as a next mission. Yeah, which it's not. I don't know why it is, because I don't know who considers it a... No, let's go into the database. Should be pretty easy to figure out. Go! Post meta... Let's check it out. It's probably pretty new. So we got, yeah, drag dest. Let's see, missions. Mission. Next mission. You see help Zing anywhere here? No. Nothing. Alright, let's go to the next. These are all pretty normal. What's this iframe? What the hell? Oh, it's just a YouTube embed. That's weird. Where you at? Help Jing? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Definitely not seeing it anywhere here. Let's get it by the post ID. Search. Post ID equals... Where is it? Post ID 1481. Well, it wouldn't be the... It wouldn't be him, though. Shit, I gotta look at post meta. What is it? Next mission? It's called... Explore next mission. So let's do post meta key equals explore next mission. Right. See, there is none. There's none. There's no reason why he should be part of a next mission. Huh. And yet he is. Okay, what constitute a next mission? That will probably be what helps. Yeah, it's right here. So if is next. Oh, or is cutscene mission. That's right. I made next mission. It's like a general term for hiding a mission until something happens. Okay, so in that case, he is considered part of a cutscene. I mean, I could just make a new mission and not mess with this, but I like to understand what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, here it is. Mission name. Nope. Get you out of there. Okay, now this should be not a next mission. There we go, help sync. So, when I complete this mission, it should now complete. Wrong. Okay. So, that means that the clean class name is not working. Good, well at least we know it's not hidden anymore. Clean class name, where are we using that? Few places. I don't remember where. Enemy name, position. Well, let's just go to clean class. Yeah, here we go. It's part of the draggable functionality. Basically, trying to get the clean class name. So obviously drag me item is not working. Wait. Classes. Oh, that's why. The idiot here. I don't know how my own functions work. Yeah, you gotta pass the class names. Alright, it should work now. It just basically strips everything away. Gives me the actual product slug. My way of getting the slug. Without adding it as another data point. Okay, here we go. This is gonna work now. We're gonna drag this shirt onto another shirt. Let's grab it from here. Okay. Come on. Come on. It's gonna work. Ready? It didn't work again. What the hell? Now what? Token provided must be empty. What? Must be empty? Oh shit. I was all confident. Class name. God damn it. Just get it together, man. Yes. Passing a string, the class names. Alright, it's gonna work. First try. Here we go. Drag the shirt onto the other shirt. Complete the mission. Okay, something else happened. Undefined. Why is it undefined? What? This is classes. I'm passing classes. What is going on? Who are you? What? Cannot read properly undefined. Why am I getting undefined? It's classless class name. Drag me item. The drag me item is the one I'm currently dragging. Definitely has classes. Let's just console it out, see what's going on. My only guess is when I let go of it, I am removing things. Let's drag item. No, yes, this is what happens after you let go of the item. Yeah, so after you let go of the item, I should still have class names. Drag me item. Dot class list. Dot class name. Right? Is it duplicate? Duplicate code. Why? I highly doubt that's duplicate code, bro. Alright, let's check it out. Wait, did I even compile? Maybe I didn't compile. I think I did. Boom, 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 boom. doing that? Alright. Come on. Show me the classes. Drag, drag, drag. And... undefined. Well. That'll do it. Seems kind of impossible for that to be... God damn it. I'm sorry, people. What time is it? It's too early for me to be this dumb. Class name. Right? Why am I freaking out? Why am I forgetting how to do this shit? It's class name, right? I'm not going, wait, hold on. Yeah, okay, I'm going crazy. Come on. Alright, we got it. At least this error is gonna go away. Anybody know vanilla JavaScript here? Should be pointing these things out. Oh. When you drop it, you remove the class that's looking for. Game Doodle! What's up? Sorry, I couldn't see the stream. I couldn't see the chat for some reason. Yeah, well no, I remove a bunch of classes. I'm just trying to get the name. The only thing I remove is, I think, the currently dragging class. It's just I for some reason I kept passing it the wrong damn thing. There we go! Success! Alright, that worked. So when I drop the item on the drag destination, it completes the mission and gives me points. Well, I didn't get points, but I don't think I set points either. Yeah, I didn't. Otherwise this wouldn't have been failed. Cool. Well, that's good. I wonder if he'll do it again. I should probably make sure it doesn't do it again. Uh-oh. I think I found a loophole. You can just keep getting points over and over. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a class on it or something when you get success. Let's do that actually. Drag dest. Drag dest is right here. Drag dest. Save mission. And then yeah. Let's drag dest dot class list dot add got points. You know what? I think I should just remove the drag destination, huh? Just remove it. Once you use it, right? It's just a guide. We'll just remove it. Well, no, I don't want to do that. What if it's not like an outline? What if it's, like I said, like a button you're dropping things on? Never mind. We'll stick with the class thing. Completed mission. Yeah, something like that. So you can't keep getting points. And then we'll do one of these bad boys. And drag dest dot class list dot contains completed mission. So you can't swindle me out of my precious points. Alright, cool. This will do it. Great. We're thinking of all the edge cases. Let's try it again. Oh no, the mission's complete. Yep. It won't let me get him anymore. Cool. The mission logic is doing its work. Awesome. I'm stoked on that. Though let's double check that the logic actually works. Because I basically did it within 10 pixels that it'll trigger it. So if I put it like right here. Okay. If I put it here. Ooh. Okay. But if I put it like dead on, it works. Alright, you gotta be accurate in this game. Considering I only drop it like a pixel away from where you actually drop it, I think it's not bad. Strategic dropping. Okay, cool. Doop 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 doop. So let's add it to the real game now. My little, you know, furniture removing mission. And a boop. And a doop. Alrighty. So we're gonna add it here in this. This is the stage site. Oh no. I'm out of power. You better fucking recharge, buddy. Where's my office? Yeah, I have to add a sign here too, because I always forget where the office is. And this is not gonna be here anymore. This was a different mission I was making up. So, let's push the code up. Now that we have this working. And stage site. I do not want to override production again. That would be the third time. But yeah, this is like the first kind of interactive mini game puzzle-ish logic that I've built for the game. So far it's just been kind of walking around talking to people. Which, you know, cutscenes and all that are important, but I also want to rebuild the cutscenes a bit. Right now it's like just like a big text box that just shows text and goes back and forth. And I figured like I was gonna change the pictures as they're talking, but I think what I want to do instead is actually put... Talk to me. Why aren't you talking to me? Hold on. Let's restart. I guess I already talked to her. Talk to me. That's neat, man. This is a live site. Yeah. This is the stage site right here. The orb mortar, flywheel, staging. Here. I'll, oh. I can't. Let me jump in to it so I can post things it here. So I can post things it here. Oh god. So I the endless loop. Did it work? Ah shit, I put in the wrong one. Damn it. Hold on. I got this. Well, let's put it in the right one. Quick mute. Alright. There we go. Yeah, so you can go there. It's just a copy of the production site and not a complete recent copy, but if you sign up, you can basically do everything I'm doing. And you can break as much of the game as you want. Can't get into the admin like I can, but you can play. And yeah, and this is where everybody can beta test whatever. Ooh, there she is. Okay. So what I want to do, you see, it's just like the text things in the middle. And like I could put little names and make them like move or something like that when they're talking. And that would suffice, but now I'm kind of thinking I move the text over to the person who's talking. Like let's see here. Maybe, you know, if let's do like a transform. Translate X. Oh. Translate X negative 50 pixels or something. So like when he's talking, or like when the main character's talking, I move it over here, and you know, the person will be in the front. Be like the index, like that. And like I'll let them talk, and then when she's talking, we'll move it over to her. That seems like it'd be like a more obvious speaking pattern, so you know who's talking without me having to do too much. Maybe even change the color of the border or something. Like when she talks, it can be, you know, red. I don't know. When I'm talking, it'd be blue. But I'm actually trying to spend as little time on styling and any sort of visuals that don't already exist. Because, I mean, that's going to be a mission in itself, and I don't mind doing that. You know, all after the mechanics are all done. Okay, so, yep. We don't need to talk to you again. Yes, I talked to you. Okay, well, she's going to give me the mission. So let's do that first. I am already logged in. Let's go to Explore Missions. And it's going to be set up your lab. This is a new mission. Set up. Set up. Informal. Set up. Set up your lab. Yeah. Yeah, good idea, you think? Okay. Yeah, 'cause it's more visual too. It's more engaging. Make things move around more. I want you to forget that you're on a WordPress website when you're playing this game. You know. So any little fancy tips and tricks I can do, I will do it. Okay, set up your lab. That's the mission. Oh, and the description is rearrange all of your equipment so you can start working on your research. Yeah, perfect. And let's attach this to, nope, Virus, and this is gonna be, so you don't complete it by talking to anybody, but, ooh, I gotta get rid of that bar now. But you get it, oh no, yeah, so we just need to create it. And then we'll attach it to Iona's cutscene. Okay. Set up your lab. And then we'll go to her cutscene here. And she's going to give you... Hi. Set up your lab. That's in slug form. And... trigger point before. Why do I have a trigger point? I guess I don't need it. Hey, I'm your onboarder. I have a lot to tell you about Virus. Hey. Oh. Great. before we do that, I need you to finish setting up your lab. Then we can meet at Bailon. Bailon? I forgot I called what I spelled it. Oop. Bailon. To talk. In the book, he thinks she's like inviting him on a date, which, you know, he's super socially awkward, not used to doing anything like that, so freaks him out for a while. It's pretty funny. All right, and let's see if it works. Let's restart the level down here. And it should now give you a mission after you talk to her. Yes, okay, good. Let's just make sure the sign's working still. Oh, good. Good thing I have a badge. Booyah! And she's like, oh, hey. Blah. Oh, God. She's on top of me. I would love to tell you about Thyris. Great. Before we do that, let's finish up your lab. Look at that. Set up your lab. New mission. Fantastic. Cool. So I do have one issue. I want you to set up multiple things in the office. But I need you to like set up all of them before you can consider the mission complete. And right now, the drag and drop logic only works one per thing. So either I set up like 5 missions, like set up your table, set up your computer, set up your cabinet, or I create a logic that allows you to attach multiple drag points, drag destinations to one mission. And it's going to be a lot easier to do multiple missions. So let's just do that. So the way I'm going to do that, set up your lab will actually be set up your computer. Maybe move your computer. There's definitely some use cases here that aren't going to work. Because what I could do is like, okay, set up the desk. So I move the desk to the spot. That gives you a new mission. Set up your computer. Okay, move that to the spot. But like, what if you do the computer first? Oh, that won't matter actually. Yeah, if you go out of order, it'll still complete the missions. You just won't see them until you actually complete the one in order. Yeah, these are semantics. Let's see what it looks like when we do it. Alright, well first let's just use 3 missions for this one. So we'll do mission. And we'll do... So instead of set up your lab, it's going to have the same... It'll have the same slug, so I don't have to change it, but... It's set up your... Maybe not even set up. Move... Computer... Oh, I just thought of something even better. So set up your lab actually could be a trigger point. So in order to complete this, you just need to... Wait, do I even have that? Do I have like mission completion trigger points? Uh-oh. I don't know. I should. If I don't, you should be able to like walk into something and then complete a mission, because I need that. Because what I was going to do is when you walk into your office, it'll give you a bunch of missions like move desk, move this, move that. And then you do that one by one. Let's see. Yeah, I don't remember if I set that up or not. Trigger points. I have blockades that basically lock you into a place until you complete a mission, which will be good for this lab mission, because I won't let you leave your office until you finish it. I'd be like, oh, I don't think you should leave yet. Yeah, it looks like we need trigger point. That's fine. Well, in that case, we need to do that here. It's not abilities, that's how you get magic and other things. Let's see, where are missions? Here we go. So get all the missions. Explore point, taxonomy. Explore area, point, yes. Missions are here. Ah, right. So if you have a data mission attached to you, that's fine, but I'm gonna need that to be its own thing. Like here, kind of like the drag, more like the trigger walking path. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be trigger mission complete. Right. This will be good. I'll be able to like complete missions and add new missions just by walking into a certain area. It could be entering a room. It could be, you know, standing in front of somebody. Because the mission could be, hey, go to this guy's office. And you get there, then what? I'll go to this city. Alright. Well, we don't need this. Technically, this is only if the mission exists. So this is a separate thing. Yeah, because I don't need... yeah, this is dead missions that are already done. Here's missions itself. But these missions have a person attached to them. Or an area attached to them. So it seems like I might need a separate thing. Well, no. Okay. Because the area is going to be attached to it. So this is actually going to have what we need. Because set up your lab is attached to Thyra, so it's going to show up. Oh no, it's already showing up. So what I need to do is actually grab mission trigger points. So for each, correct. The IDE is correct sometimes. I need to do mission trigger equals, hey, that's pretty close. Wrong, but pretty close. It's actually, you know, all the same shit, like the whole top left. I need all this, which is path trigger. Looks like they made path trigger into that. How do you just get the normal? I think it's like explore top. Yeah, explore top, explore left. Yeah, I need this. Doop doop. And I need height and width. Where's that? Do I not have that? I guess I don't need it usually. Alright. Well, in that case, explore top. Mission trigger. Top. Well, let's stop there. Because if this doesn't exist, then I don't want anything to exist. I don't want to keep reading more. Oh, look at that. Pretty smart. It knew to do mission trigger left. What about mission trigger? No, I don't need bottom. I need width. Trigger width. Oops. Correct. And yep, you guessed it. Pretty snazzy. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Blob. Blob? Right. Cool. Cool. This is good. So if I'll use the same logic. Oh yeah, here. We'll build the HTML in this for each. So mission trigger HTML equals, sure. Let's just steal the HTML from the walking trigger. Trigger mission complete. Yeah, pretty much. Just steal this. Womp. And womp. Hey, Suda. Happy 4th, man. No problem. Alright. Happy 4th. Yeah, I didn't stream on the 4th. I was too preoccupied with blowing stuff up. Man, that was a little poisoned. You know what I mean? If you catch my drift. Whiskey poisoned. So, yeah, today wasn't too fun working, but I'm past it. Yep. Yep, just a little bit. Okay, path trigger is going to be mission trigger. And do it. Map item. Let's do trigger. Well, mission trigger. Mission trigger? Map item, sure. And we'll use mission post name for that. And then we need all this to be mission-y. Pop, 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 pop. Stop. Alright. And then we'll use mission. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then... oh wait, we need a starting point. There we go. Okay, so... yeah, the trigger is true. I don't know why I have that. Data trigger. Maybe... there might be a reason for that. And then... post name. This will be the one that I'm going to... yeah, the triggy. This is what I'm triggering as complete. Why am I putting map item there? Oh, because that's the the name of the mission. I don't think that's how missions are, though. Wait, how am I doing missions? I'm doing class. Class. Iterate, engage. Wait, that's it? Oh. Oh, mission item. That's what I'm doing. Mission item. Post name mission item. Okay. So I'll use mission item, not the other thing I was doing. Wait, what? Here we go. Not map item. Mission item. There we go. So now I know the class to complete the mission of. So I think when I do save mission, it just uses the post name, right? What do I use for save mission? Let's see. Save mission. Oop. Mission? Oh, here it is. I get the class by passing the mission name. So I need the mission name. Okay. So then let's just, India, wait, what? India won the T20? Wow, 2024, you know. I didn't know that. That's crazy. You're 10th. I'm sorry. Yes. We're gonna name things after you. Book 3. You're getting in there. It's gonna be Suda. There's a parade of the trophy. Man, go India. That's sick. I like it. Mission item. Okay, yeah, so I don't need this at all. I just need the name. Cool. This will be good. And then let's throw all the HTML. Oh yeah, I have to combine these. If that's the case, then this will be that. And we'll start here. Mission trigger HTML equals that. So now it'll just keep adding back to back to back to back. And then I'll just echo them out here. Right here. Echo w cases post. This should work and still be sanitized. How much they would take to make the game? What do you mean? How many days to make this game, or to make any game? Because this game is taking many days. If I was just working back to back to back, like day to day, to finish this game, it would take me, I don't know, 300 days, give or take. And that's if it was just me doing it. Yeah, this game would be 300 days. That's my guess. Because WordPress video game development is hard. And there's no answers for what I need. No one's like, hey, this is how you add the ability to, you know, make a boss battle or something. Just making this shit up on the fly. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright. So, we gotta do this locally though. So, we need a new thing. Let's set up a mission trigger for do something. Do something. Nope. Why is this not working? Am I not logged in anymore? I'm not. Quite annoying when you log me out. especially when my password doesn't work. Oh, good, it worked. Okay, so the do something mission. First off, sure. Second off, let's set up a trigger point and see if it worked. Whatever, let's just put a trigger point in here. So that's 3,000, 1,800, sounds about right. So let's do 2,800, 1,800, height. Let's do 200, 200, width, 500, and it'll give you 100 points. Sure, why not? I'll take it. Yeah, okay. You have to go? Alright, Suda. Thanks for jumping on, man. I really appreciate it. Have a great morning and a great weekend. You get weekends, right? I'll catch you in the next one. Doo-doo-doo-boo-doo-boo. Alright. Let's refresh. Let's see if we have a mission trigger now. Should be somewhere around here. Oh, look at that. That's right there. Right? Do something. Wait, is this the blockade? Oh, I know this has a blockade. So this is not right. 2,000, 2,800, 1,800. What the hell is this? Seems like it took some of my styling. That's weird. What was it called? Mission trigger? Trigger. Okay. Well, it's not showing up. Let's see. So many points. I know. 100 points. Well, I was testing the levels. So I made them all like 700 points. Jumping me up 2 levels. Okay, well, it's possible that this case's point is more. Oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. I forgot that this was set up for something else. Because all I want to do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the... Oh, I don't know why. That just popped into my head. Where am I? I'm losing my mind. Okay, mission trigger top. That's what it was. Really? You're gonna give me all the ones what I want? Okay. There we go. Now it should show up. Though I have a feeling the blockade's gonna be in the way for some reason. Okay. Did the trigger show up? No. Triggy. Collect badge. That's not what I want. So maybe that case is not actually working. So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my videos, on my shorts. I think it was the AI art one. First off, the guy said that I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand whatever he was saying, the concept that I was talking about, which I was talking about AI art. So yeah, I'm not a normal generic artist. So whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Like, just goes out hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, ouch, you know, like, you think You think I'm ugly, like, or whatever. You think my hair looks stupid? Hey, Beto, telling a story about my new comment on one of my shorts, where a guy was bad mouthing my haircut. So he said the haircut doesn't suit me, and I'm like, yeah, okay. But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know. I wonder what haircut he... That's, yeah. See? That's what I'm saying. Game Doodle's got it. You don't see your shorts? How dare you, Beto. Even with the tilde, I'm still offended by your sarcasm. Yeah. What was he thinking? What kind of haircut? I'm interested. To be honest, I don't even know that many haircuts. Maybe bald? Did he think I should have a mohawk? I used to have Liberty spikes, you know. But, I don't know. He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. So, I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance, but you should use AI to generate some hairstyle. Oh, man. Yeah, that's going to happen now. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. And then I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose which one you think would be better for my head. Ugh. At least he didn't say like, oh, and by the way, you're fat, you know. I think he's just trying to help me. Alright. I'm starting to lose faith in my HTML abilities. Yeah. The tilde thing is good. Yeah, sorry, I muted. My wife was talking to me. I guess there's some lightning going on. Kid's waking up. Yeah, the tilde thing's what's up. Okay. So why are you not working? My guess is the HTML is actually not being built, which is a little weird. False equals. Okay, so is this empty? It should not be empty for everything. So let's var dump this and see what we're getting. Are we getting anything? Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, look. Mission trigger. Wait, what? See, this is weird. It's taking the wrong... It's taking the blockade height and width. And the blockade's taking my trigger width. Oh, am I using the same variable name? I mean, I shouldn't be. Wait, how's the blockade? Oh. Is that what the blockade's doing? How do I define a blockade? I think I'm creating the blockade on the fly in JavaScript. Yes. Correct. And I'm getting it from... No. Let's remove the blockade. How do I build the blockade? Load mission blockades. So on load, I grab all the mission items. If there's a blockade, I get the specs. Okay. So there's a blockade setup for this. I need to turn that off. Do I want both at the same time? No. You took the job offer. Beto! Congrats, man. That's freaking amazing. So you guys worked it out. Starting July 29th. Nice. End of the month. Hell yeah. That is exciting, my friend. How do I define blockade? Oh, is it a blockade if it has something? Is that what it is? Shit. So I can't use this. Ah, man. So this is being used for blockades. I'm gonna need my own thing for mission triggers. Shoot. Honestly, I'd rather use something else for blockade. This makes more sense for mission triggers. Hell yeah, job offer. That's great. Stability is coming your way. And that is pretty damn cool. We need a new thing now. You know, fine. I'll just make a new thing for triggers. I'll just steal the shit I'm doing for all the other triggers. I got cut thing, I got path, I got walking path. We'll use mission trigger. Man, that's cool. Congratulations. Mission trigger. Oh, wrong one. Mission trigger. Is it weird at work now that, you know, since you know, I mean, because you're working for the same company, but like it's your last 3 weeks. You can have some time to focus on some personal projects when starting. Yeah, that'd be great. You know, now that you know you're gonna have some guaranteed work, you can kind of branch out a little bit. Explore mission trigger. Cool. Yep. And then we'll go here. And we'll add mission trigger. Where is it? Here we go. Do the same crap. Ooh, this is getting long. I can't wait to... Well, since you've talked to your boss, it's weird that I'm working for a company I'm leaving, but everything good. Yeah, they're happy. I advise with a lot of the time. Nice. That's cool. But now you're kind of just like chilling, you know? They even told me to feel free to reach out if you need to get back. Hey, I mean, you could keep doing work for them on the side. I did that a lot of times. I'd leave a company and I'd say, hey, you know, I'll give you a few hours a week or something like that to either help with the transition or, you know, they just have some work they need done. It's all completely good to go, you know? Yeah, you relax now? Straight chillin'. Just like, oh, you need that done? Maybe later. Yeah, that's a good feeling, man. That's a position of power, you know? Something that makes the last week or two, like, really bearable. Alright, explore mission already has it. Path trigger. Oh, I already did it. Mission trigger. Okay. Alright, let's go into the actual meta box now. Oh god. Oh god, too big. What do we do? Where's walking trigger? Where's mission? Because this is only for missions. Oh, here we go. Next mission. Yeah. Wait. I only use the next mission in here? I thought I had next mission. Oh, no. Yeah, that would be just for missions. The new company is actually excited that you agreed. Nice. The guy who will be my manager sent me a message. You heard the news. That's awesome. Deep stuff from their CMS and stuff like that. That's great. Yeah, it's good to get a little bit of a head start. And, you know, if you need anything, you have that connection already. And yeah, it's a sign of a good manager, you know, when they are excited and actively wanting to teach you things up front, and you're not just another headcount burden or whatever. Okay, top left, height, width. I need to steal you. Yeah, I'm excited for you. That's freaking rad. This is mission trigger complete. Complete mission. Complete mission trigger. There we go. Yeah, you're really happy for the decision. Extra grateful to me. Oh, hell yeah. All of this was thanks to our small talks here. That's great, man. Any way I can give you some confidence, or, you know, just tell you the things that are out there, or your options, you know, open up your mind. I'm happy I could do that, because, yeah, there's nothing worse than feeling like you're stuck. And you're not, you know? You're never stuck in a job. If you're unhappy, you're basically losing money. You know what I mean? Because a job is way more expensive if it's taking a mental tax. You know what I mean? Like, if you hate your work, or if not the work, if you hate the people, if you hate the project, you hate the way they manage things, or even if you're just bored, you know, you could just be bored. You don't have to hate anything. And it makes work, like, miserable. You're constantly trying to leave, or figure out a way of leaving, or hoping you get hit by a bus or something so you can take some time off. Sometimes I wish I just fell down a mountain. Survived, but got a nice sleep. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job, where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching. I was there about 5 years, and I was driving, you know, an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and I started riding that, and even that wasn't that great, you know. I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I mentioned this in another stream, but I got in a motorcycle accident and crushed my foot and ended up having to go to the hospital. And I was in the hospital for a week, and other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, like, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and just like completely chill and like reset. Spiritual, yeah, exactly. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break, and I knew I wasn't gonna get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. It was just easier not to, and I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. I just feel like I'm it's harder on me if I do it. You feel like that during COVID when you got it? Yeah, there you go. Hey, it's like, I got COVID, guys. I'll be out for a couple weeks. Forced vacation. Thank you very much. Yeah. It's the little things, you know? Alright, let's see if this works. So do something should now have... See, I'm not going to set this, because this is for other things. Give me that, because that's for blockade. Now I know. And then 200, 500, 200, 500. Enough about me. We are creating a mission trigger right now. Yeah, because I got the dragging logic working. And it's working really well. And I have a drag destination, so like I can complete a mission when you drag to a certain spot, an item. And this is all for the set up your lab mission that I'm doing right now. I'm basically going to put a bunch of furniture, you know, tables and cabinets and computers and stuff. And then the mission's going to be when you get to your lab, it's going to trigger a bunch of submissions. And you're going to have to move furniture around to different areas. And then once you do that, you'll, you know, complete the mission. Just another little tutorial of how mechanics work in the game. And how you can drag certain items. I'll probably highlight them or something when you get close to them. It's just like this one right here. So like, oh no, there's a blockade in my way now. So if you grab the item and put it here, you know, it triggers a mission. Yeah. The usual tutorial level. Which is great, because in the book, this is kind of like the first 25% of the book, you're still on Earth, you're in the research lab, and it's kind of setting up, you know, you meet your other scientists that you become friends with, and it's a lot of like setting up exposition of the characters and, you know, their abilities and stuff. So I'm doing the same thing in the game. I'm using the research facility as that before throwing them into Orbem, and you know, you have to use all your new abilities like fighting and all that kind of stuff. Okay. So the blockade should go away. Good, it did. But now I should have a trigger if it's saved. No. Still incorrect. Why is the mission trigger going there? Oh, I need to reset everything up. Okay. Explore missions, cool. Where is it? Where did I do that whole thing? Triggy. Here we go. Walking path. Okay, yeah, this here. Okay, so it's not this anymore. It's explore mission trigger, which is explore mission trigger. Okay. So if that is not empty, then we'll set these all up. Well, I guess we should do this if this is not empty. There we go. And then we don't need these anymore. And it'll just be mission trigger left, mission trigger top, and we got height, and we got, whoops, width. Oh shit. And I think that's it, right? Right. Alright, now this should work. you do? Okay, go. Now, do we have a mission trigger? Mission trigger. Oh, maybe. Triggy. What the hell? Why is this not working? Oh, well, let's double check. Did it save? This happens every time. Did it save? If those go away right now, I'm gonna freak out. Oh. I broke it. No, I didn't. Motherfucker. This happens every time. Why do I can never get the missions to save. Okay, explore missions is not saving because the meta box is not saving. Mission trigger, mission trigger, mission trigger. Okay, this all looks correct. Correct. And then we got explore mission trigger. So this is all good. Where's the save? Right here, save post. We are in explore mission. And we are saving mission trigger. Correct. And correct. So what's the big fucking deal, bitch? That's what I say. Yeah, save should work. Correct. The output's not working. Let's see, what are we getting? False equals empty. Oh, motherfucker. Well, if you were using the correct one. And now this should be correct. Save. Okay, so it's saved. Well, if it's saved though, then it should have already been working. It should be around here somewhere. It should be... Now I'm guessing the HTML is not working. It appears that way. Alright, let's check it out here. Not there. Here. It's down with the walking paths. Oh. Here we go. Okay. Oh. I changed the way this works. That's why. There we go. Now it should work. Bop. That. Give me a trigger. It does not. Mission trigger. It doesn't care. Alright, what the fuck, dude? Alright, mission trigger. Explore mission trigger. Mission ID. Starts out with nothing. Builds the HTML here. Yeah, should be from. Oh, am I not getting missions? Let me see what we got here. It's very possible that's the problem. I'm not seeing a var dump. Oh, default map. There we go. Okay, empty array. Array. What? Why does it give me two different arrays? Okay. Wait. Empty array. Array. Object. Okay. Why is it starting with... Wait, why is it running this twice? Get it? Map HTML is running twice? Or missions is showing up that way. Wait, get post. Yeah, this should be getting everything based off a location. And point tax? Maybe because of this it's not working? Well, hold on. This is post. Oh, there's more. Collect badge, transport stuff. Okay, no, they're all here. But do something is not in here. Which I'm guessing is because of this motherfucking point tax here. Okay, I'm going to remove this because I feel like this doesn't matter. I get the intention, but now I need all the missions, so let's see if this screws anything up. Burp. So now I'm getting a bunch of stuff. What? What the hell is this? Array. Oh, now it's only getting one array, so that's good. Do something. There we go. Do something's here. Alright, does that mean I have a Triggy? It does not. Alright, well now that we know that it's in the list, what the fuck are we getting here? We're getting 24. No, that's just one. Oh, 24. Doesn't make sense. Okay. So let's try this. Is it just one? No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all the same. It's 6 of the same mission. Definitely not what I was expecting. What the fuck? Oh, number points 1. Come on, son. Let's do number points 100. Okay, what am I doing with missions? Because I'm probably breaking a bunch of shit right now. Hold on. Missions. Data missions. Oh. Yes. Not what I want. Now I'm adding data missions to all the missions to every item. Definitely don't want that. Okay, we need to do a separate mission call, unfortunately. Yeah, because this is specific. And then we need a mission triggers call, which is just all the missions for this area. There's no way for me to tell. I mean, maybe. But it's just doing more queries, and that's going to be perform it the same way. So this is just one, so it's going to be actually pretty quick. This one, on the other hand, will be all of them, so it'll be less quick. Okay, this should work. This is going to be missions, triggers, 4 triggers. Alright, missions, 4 triggers. Cool. Great. And I don't think I'm using mission anywhere else. Nope. Missions. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. We got this. And now we have a blockade. Cool. That was already there. Well, let's see if we're getting anything. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, missions. Missions are right here. I don't know why it's acting like it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, no, it's still being used. Alright, current location, number of points 100. Published. Yes, so these are all the missions for this area. I'm now looping through these. And let's double check what we're getting here. Come on, baby. Show me missions. Okay. I think this is good. Unfortunately, it's duplicating, and I do not know why. Why is this getting ran multiple times? Why do I feel like this function's getting ran multiple times? Hey, let's see how many times I see hey. Because that's not good. We definitely don't want this getting ran multiple times. Or anything, for that matter. It's very not performant. Hey. Yeah, look. Hey, 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 hey. It's getting ran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Who the hell are you running this function? Who's running this function? How dare you? Okay, it's running here, but that's a rest endpoint. Hold your horses. Apparently I've been running this damn map 6 times. Okay, so we have once in the actual template, which, yes, which is, should not be in a loop or anything. No, it's not. Okay. Once. What's this? This is the get Orbem area, okay. And this is the actual function. Why are you getting ran 6 times? Well, let's see what the hell's going on here. Am I... Echo... Hey. Echo that. Alright, let's see how many hays we get. Boop. Hey. Well, it looks like only one. Why the fuck is this getting ran 6 times? Encode, explore. Oh, decode. Okay. Yeah, it's just this. Yeah, I'm not using this anywhere crazy. Dump. Yo. So is yo getting ran 6 times too? I should just turn fucking Xdebug on and figure this out quick, but this is way more entertaining, right? Oop. Wrong one. How many yos? 1. Good. 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 Okay, so the function's actually only getting hit once. But I just realized this is in a for each because I'm an idiot. Yeah, I don't want this in a for each. Well, I need current location. Where the hell's current location? See, that's outside of the for each. I need the point for this. Oh, that's why. I do not need the explore point for this function. Haha. Okay, okay. We solved the case. Var dumps. Cool. So now this should only be getting the missions once. Missions for triggers are right here. They are more than capable of being in view. And let's remove these weird things that I added. Okay. Now, will you give me what I want? Mission trigger point. Do something. Do something mission blockade. No. Alright, well it is later than I thought. So let's see if we can get this showing real quick. Okay, I want to know why. I'm just guessing the HTML is not echoing properly. That's my guess. Because we're getting the mission. It's just this. This is probably not coming out right. Hold on. What are we getting from mission trigger? Mission trigger. Ugh, I always forget that shit. Alright, we got this. Mission trigger. Mission trigger equals false. Equals, oh. False equals empty mission trigger, then mission trigger, explore mission trigger. Apparently when you use an array, it always does that shit. Otherwise, false. Cool. Oh, I guess I could just shorthand this shit. No, I can't, because I need this. Yeah, right. Great. Now this will work. Oh, whoa. Mission trigger. Trigger. There we go. And drum roll. God damn it. This is working now because this false equals empty, which it is. Do this. And then now I should have access to this. Right. Right. Yeah, see? Top, left, height, width, blah, blah, blah. And then we got a bunch of these, which we shouldn't have a bunch of these. So for each mission, maybe it's just repeating. That's kind kind of weird. Missions. Missions for trigger. Okay, either way, that is false, so this should be generating an HTML now. So if I varred it, mission trigger HTML, what do I get? I get perfect HTML. Though I do not like that it repeats a million times. Seems like it's repeating the same one for each mission, which is weird because these should be different missions if this was working correct. Yeah, it should just be one each. I don't know why. Oh, it's doing it for every explore point. This, my friends, needs to be outside of this as well. We solved the case again. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so now we're only outputting it once, but definitely this echo's not working. And by the way, this echo is probably happening 6 times as well, so we have to do that on the outside. Or is it? Right here. Yeah, this needs to be outside of the loop. Which is this. Oop, right here. Which I think is fine. Yeah. Right? Oh, wait. Oh, that's why. Because that's part of the array. Alright, we'll just say if this is not empty. Cool. Great. Whoop. Oh. Okay. Now the moment of truth. At the very bottom we should see we should see something that's not showing up. Does it not like the echo? I feel like it just doesn't like the echo. Oh wait, mission trigger. Yes! We did it. We have a mission trigger. That does nothing right now. But it will. Because now that we have the server side, I can create the client side logic. Which I'll save for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't usually stream on Saturday and Sundays during the summertime. So if I don't see you guys this weekend, then I will catch you on Monday's stream. But hey, Game Doodle, if you're around, thanks so much for sticking around and hanging out. Always appreciate it. And Beto, always a pleasure, my friend. And congrats again on your job. Super stoked for you. I know you'll do great. You'll ask a lot of questions and you'll keep things going. Yeah, solid progress. We're getting there. One little functionality at a time. And it's all just going to be a wave of level creation. But cool. So yeah, everybody have a great night or day or morning or whatever it is for you. And I will catch you in the next one. Have a good one. See you around.